All right guys, today we're going over our retrofit coolant hose kit for the HO style 6.7 Power Stroke Turbo. To my right, I have a factory style kit, and to my left, I have one for a more modified application. If you're doing a piping kit or like an intake manifold, this would be a really good kit for that. So we're gonna dive into what you get in the kit, and then we're actually gonna show you a kit on the truck as well. So let's get into it. All right guys, as you know, we just released our 20 plus 6.7 Power Stroke Strike HO Turbo. So if you're interested in learning more about the physical turbo here itself, go back a video, check it out. We have it on the channel. We talk about the turbo quite a bit. So if you have some questions, you might be able to answer those. Check that video out. Hop back over here. We're gonna dive in to the different coolant hoses that we have to retrofit this turbocharger in a 20 plus truck. On my right here, I have a factory style hose kit. And when I say factory style hose kit, what I mean is if you were putting this turbocharger, you buy it off of us, you're putting it in a 2020 standard output truck, you'll be able to connect it to your secondary cooling system. And it has factory style standpipes for the cooling. So it's gonna look just like a factory style connection, but they're stainless steel, a little better quality. We give you all the quick connects, T-fittings, hose, hardware, everything you need to hook it up just like factory and get it retrofitted and installed into your truck. So, like I said, this is more of a factory style kit. It's and everything that you need to make it look like a factory installation. To my left, I have a more of an AN style kit with nice cleaner, aluminum anodized fittings. And this would be more for the customer that has a modified truck. You're running a different intake manifold, say a piping kit, whatever it may be. The nice thing is this kit will clean it up quite a bit. So it gives you a nicer aesthetic look. And it basically routes the hoses in a more appealing way. So you don't have, standard rubber hose and big standpipes running all over the engine bay. We also include a silicone hose to go with all the fittings, so everything just looks a little bit cleaner. And if you have a piping kit on it, it matters because you're trying to clean the engine bay up. You're trying to make it look tidier, better flowing. It's just what you're gonna want, So two different options there for you. The nice thing about it is both of these kits intermix a little bit, so the quick connects and things that you're gonna use on the factory lines on the truck are actually going to be used in this kit as well, but we have all that figured out for you. It's just going to be which one do you want. So what we're going to do is hop over to the truck and actually show you what it looks like on it and some of the different connection points and options that you're going to have when ordering this kit. All right guys, this is our 2020 F450 test truck. This truck does have a piping kit on it. It's a little more open, so it'll give us a little better visibility to show you how the hose kit lays out on a truck. So this would be our AN style kit. I'm going to walk you through how it connects and what it looks like on here. So starting on this is actually the return hose. It comes from the main degas, secondary degas bottle line here. This will get cut, trimmed back. You'll put the T in. It goes to quick connect to a silicone hose down to the bottom fitting and fitting on the compressor cover itself. It'll loop through, come out of the compressor cover via another AN line, nice new silicone hose up to another AN fitting in this application. So this truck has our HO intercooler on it, and our HO book lung intercooler has a fitting welded to the top of it to accept an AN fitting. So it makes it nice and clean. It's simple. Obviously, it doesn't get much simpler than how the setup is done on this truck. So if you're running an intake manifold or a piping kit, this is going to be a really easy install for you. It doesn't take a lot of effort. So if you're still running a factory intercooler, obviously we're going to give you another similar T as we used up here to go in the factory line down there on the intercooler, you'll just snip it. It will get clipped in between, and a quick connect will go on that one as well. So rather than going up here, it will run down to that quick connect and hook up. So obviously there's a lot of options. If you have the factory style hose kit versus the AN hose kit for the piping kit trucks and intake manifold trucks, we wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like and how it's set up. We will have instructions on both style kits so that you guys can see how they go on and maybe what's best for you. If you have questions on this, you know, I always recommend you reaching out to us, talking to us, give us a call, email, whatever it may be. We'd be more than happy to help you with whatever setup you may need for your specific application. So hopefully that covers that a little better for you and gives you an overall view of what it looks like once it's installed in the engine bay. All right, guys, hopefully that helped answer some questions for you on the new turbo release. We actually had a lot of customers calling in asking if we had the hose kits and how to put it on, and hopefully this helped with that, and hopefully showing it to you on the truck helps explain things a little bit better. If you still don't understand, or there's too many options here for you and you want to know what may best suit you and your application and what you're trying to do with your particular truck, give us a call, email us. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about it, let you know what's going to work best for you. As always, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. We appreciate all the constructive criticism, and we'll catch you on the next one.